Hi, my name is Carolina Moyano. I am from Argentina and I am a certified teacher of English and Spanish. Well, I've been working in language trainers for a couple of years. I am really passionate about teaching. I plan all my lessons really carefully to meet students' needs. I always include games, quizzes, role plays in order to make my classes engaging and dynamic. The main advantage of studying online is that there are plenty of platforms that I include in my lessons so that you have fun and learn at the same time. Students generally take classes because they prepare for a job interview, because they need to travel. So in my classes, I always include some real-life situations, some role plays, so that they can have the chance to practice before actually being involved in that situation. If you're planning taking a course with us, we recommend taking at least 30 hours in order to move on to the next level. I'd like to share with you an interesting expression that we Argentinian people say. Re. For example, este sillón es re cómodo. We use it to emphasize, meaning, okay, this armchair is very comfortable. So it would be a synonym of very. Está re bueno. Like, it's great, it's very interesting, está re interesante. Or for example, the music is very loud, la música está re fuerte. Many speakers find the sound the rocking R very difficult. So why don't you put your tongue up and pronounce this sound? Like rueda, rata, ferrocarril. You're welcome to join our classes. I'm sure you will have a great time and you will learn a lot.